Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Google account. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can follow these steps on either phone or web. Step remains same for both devices. First of all, you need to visit google.com and make sure you are logged in with the account you want to delete. Click on the profile picture icon on the upper right corner and select Manage your Google account. On this page, either click on this search icon or this search bar and type delete. When delete your Google account option appears in the search results, click to open it. At this point, it is possible that you will be asked to enter password of the account. If so, enter to continue. If you have enabled 2FA, enter the code to continue. On this page, Google will share information that all the Google services and app data like Gmail, YouTube, and even more will be deleted with your this action. If you are okay with that, continue. If you want to backup your data, you can click on this download your data option, and on this page, follow on-screen instructions to download it. Now scroll down to bottom and check the boxes to acknowledge you understand the consequences and click delete account button. Your account is deleted successfully. Once deleted, your account and all data associated with it will be permanently removed. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss out on future tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And thanks for watching.